Sir, would you please like to unmute yourself? Sir, if you can hear me, kindly unmute yourself. Hello, sir. How are you?
I am just trying. Do you hear me?
I hear you and I see you also.
Okay, very well, very well. Okay, how are you, ma'am?
I'm
अच्छा
doing
जी.
very well. Thank you so much.
Okay. प्रणाम, नमस्ते.
Namaste,
अच्छा.
namaste. So,
I'll try. English is not my language, so I am used sometimes Hindi, and Dutch is not not going. But please let me talk something. Tell you when it is necessary. I'll use Hindi words. चलो हिंदी और इंग्लिश में बात हो जाए.
whatever suits you. I'm absolutely fine with that.
Okay, ma'am, you
So,
called me, and please.
yes. So, this is actually a very casual conversation, sir, because, I did study a little bit of the material which you have sent me, and I
Yes,
did little bit of research on Google also. So it is
yes,
almost similar. The material you have sent me and the little bit of this, I mean, not I have read little bit, but there is a lot of information available online also about
okay.
sports. So there were a couple of things which I wanted to ask you. I'll just keep notes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Uh, so the first thing which I wanted to know of you is, see, from what I understand, there was this act, the Girmit Act.
Girmitia थी.
Yeah, Girmit
Girmitia,
Act.
Girmitias, they are the indentured laborers,
Huh,
and worldwide we are calling this group of people Girmitias,
correct.
and Girmit is derived from agreement, and all
Correct.
with is a Girmitias.
Correct.
Okay,
So that is just the definition part of it. But
okay,
these indentured laborers were actually governed by an act called the Girmit Act,
yes, it
right?
was.
So the PDF of this particular act is actually not available anywhere online.
It's not available.
नो
No,
नो नो, इसका पीडीएफ नहीं है ऑनलाइन. इसीलिए
अच्छा नहीं
आपको
है.
मैंने कल मैसेज भी किया था कि अगर आपके पास ये एक्ट है तो आप मुझे एक बार भेजिए. बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि जब हम लीगली कोई भी बैटल फाइट करते हैं तो
Yes,
जो स्टोरीज होती हैं और जो हमारे इमो सी एवरी एक्ट इज एसोसिएटेड विद सम और द अदर ह्यूमन इमोशन, राइट?
yes,
So
yes.
I wanted to understand what is actually there in the Girmit Act. But this act was enacted so far back in time कि वो कहाँ मिलेगा और वो कौन सी आर्काइव्स में मिलेगा या वो है भी कि नहीं है,
Yes.
because it
That
has
was the number of the
definition
Girmit. You had mentioned a number of the act.
गिरमिट एक्ट
उसका नंबर एक हुआ था ना.
ईयर.
I think 64 or something like that. You wrote. Okay.
हाँ,
But
वो एक्ट किस ईयर में इनैक्ट हुआ था? इट वाज 1800 समथिंग. तो वो अगर वो एक्ट हमें मिल जाता है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं मिलता है तो then it's okay, but that act is going to give something more concrete in terms of legal.
yes.
It becomes more
Anyhow,
concrete.
I try to ask for this because it is not online, and I
No, no,
have
no.
also consult some books, and no books is mentioned this.
Hmm.
So I'll ask अपने जो है लोग ना, तो I'll ask them, maybe they have and they can provide this.
ठीक है.
What what we all have is a tractate, an agreement, and I'll try to send this to you. But the Girmit Act, actually, with the number you mentioned, I couldn't find this.
No, it is not there. Even I tried to find it. After that, only I texted you.
Maybe the Parliament has.
Which parliament? Our parliament?
Yes, I think that it
Parliament?
was also a Girmit.
No,
Or was it?
these basically what happens is sometimes some acts are created only for a specific purpose. Once that purpose is over,
Okay.
then the existence of that act becomes only a matter of historical importance, or they are in some archives, or they are not there at all.
Yes. Okay.
you know the moment the purpose is over, nobody even thinks about it, because
Okay.
because the constitution of, I'm just trying to find out the year of
You mentioned the number of this act, but I have to find this in my WhatsApp.
uh-huh.
And in my WhatsApp, yesterday, I have sent a piece of this act with this number of the act. So
Yeah,
I
you
don't.
send me the details from the Harvard. So
Yes, but
yeah,
beside of that, after that, I send it you
the
one app more.
Wikipedia. No, I didn't open that one. I didn't have time.
You didn't receive that. Okay.
No, I received it, but I have not yet
O-
opened it. I
Okay.
yeah. So I have just seen that. So the
Okay.
first thing is, sir, if we are able to, find out, maybe the Indians called it Girmit Act, but maybe the English called it by some other name. So there is
Yes,
a
I
possibility
understand.
that it might be known as Indenture Labor Act, or maybe an Immigration
Maybe.
Act, right? So what
Okay,
were the terms
I'll
and
ask this. Yes,
yeah.
okay.
And the second question is, just in case we are not able to find this, so the second document which can be of some relevance is, when this particular agreement was signed between the indentured laborers and the government at that time, the colonial government.
Yes, yes.
Do we have any a concrete data of that particular agreement? What was that agreement called?
Okay.
What was, because we know that Gilmet Act means an agreement act, an agreement between
Yes,
the
yes.
French neighbors, laborers, and the British colonial regime.
Yes,
That
yes.
part is very
Okay.
clear to me.
Okay. I have some persons, they are expert, and I'll send them a message to help to find this.
Yeah. So the
Okay.
what is more important to understand is that even if we have one such agreement in our position, in any of your
Yes.
friends' position, that at least
Okay.
then we know the terms and conditions written in that agreement.
Yes. Okay.
Because once the terms and conditions, because see, from the act, we will come to know about the intention of the act. From the terms
Okay.
and conditions, we will come to know what was in the act which led to this agreement between the laborers and the British colonial
Okay.
regime. Because,
was
yeah.
okay. I'll try to find this with him
Yes.
tonight or tomorrow because at Friday I'm
Please
going to
take your
port.
time, because this is a very,
Okay.
very large subject. And, in the Harvard papers also, which you have sent me, they are
Yes.
looking, when they write a certain number above a sentence, and then they give a
Yes.
reference of what that is about. So जो
Yes.
रेफरेंस उन्होंने नीचे दिए हुए हैं, उन डॉक्यूमेंट्स को निकालना मेरे ख्याल से काफी डिफिकल्ट होगा, और वो कहाँ
ठीक है।
होंगे, किसकी पोजीशन में होंगे, दैट इज अनदर क्वेश्चन।
वो मैं कोशिश कर लेंगे, कोई नहीं है।
कोशिश कर लेंगे।
Yes.
Secondly, the question which was on top of my mind was that obviously it was the British colonial regime which have given rise to the indenture agreement, correct?
Yes.
So
Yes.
as far as as far as my understanding of law is concerned, um, there are two things which one need to be clear about: whether this becomes a case of Human Rights Commission New Delhi, or whether
Yes.
it becomes a case of Human Rights Commission UK.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so the jurisdiction has to be decided.
Yes. Yes.
Who is the other
But
party? Who is the
अच्छा,
other party? The other party is definitely the British government, who actually
अच्छा,
who actually came up with this act, because at that point of time there was only Britishers who were ruling the country, ruling
अच्छा,
the India also. And now, as far as Constitution of India is concerned, the reason why we cannot approach via the Constitution of India, and that, because at that point of time, so far back in time, the Constitution of India was not there.
yes, yes, yes.
Constitution of India was enacted in 1950, and it
Yes, it was British Raj, all these things happened in the British Raj.
was happening during the time. And
Yeah.
the thing is, ki later on, when India gained independence, we did continued with a number of acts which the Britishers have made,
Yes.
and which they are continuing till date also. Like CRPC,
Okay.
CPC, IPC, Evidence Act, all those acts. And a part of a
Okay.
constitution has also been, because there was a study of all the constitutions, including the British Constitution, and this is how our constitution was framed by the makers of the constitution. So now the thing is that constitutional rights of indenture laborers, or uh, their descendants,
Yes.
uh, that I'm not sure we have. I mean, we are under the Constitution of India. We fight for our fundamental rights
Yes.
um, against the Union of India, or against an
Yes.
individual in some cases.
See.
Right?
Yes.
Except for the
जी.
right to privacy, Article 21, in which even the foreigners can actually, if their privacy is invaded, they can approach. But now the thing is, we are not falling in that category.
Yeah.
Our case, from my point of view as a lawyer, I feel is more of a human rights issue. And
Yes.
there are times when governments have to actually take their own decision. For example, in Germany, just few years back, a 95-year-old SS
Yes.
man who committed atrocities during Hitler. He was a soldier, but he was a
Yes.
part of sending the Jews to Auschwitz.
Yes, I know.
A case
Yes.
was, the government decided, no, we are not going to spare even one SS man. If he has not been put to trial, we are going to put to trial. We are going to put, and he was sent to trial. He was put to trial. So
Yeah.
that is the duty of
Okay.
the government. It's not the duty of the government should have that kind of an intention.
And then, okay.
So in this case, in this particular case, it did happen that he was still alive and he identified himself as that, and a trial has started against him. I really didn't follow it much enough to understand what happened during the trial, because he was 95 years old, and by the time the trial got over, I'm sure he,
And
whatever it is, you know. So it's like
Yes,
that.
yes.
So now coming to my third point, see, most of the information which we have
Yes,
in the papers or on the website are almost like stories, you know.
yes.
People are
Okay.
telling that this is how my ancestors have been taken. This is
Yes,
how, and even the chronicles of the British people, most of them are their point of view which have been recorded.
yes.
None of these stories and point of views are a part of any kind of a legal document.
Yeah, yeah,
They are
okay.
excerpts from their writings, maybe recovered from their books. They are the excerpts, और इन सब चीज़ों को जोड़ करके जो उनके डिसेंडेंट्स हैं उन्होंने अपनी भी एक कहानी बनाई हुई है
अच्छा।
कि हाँ मेरे पूर्वज वहाँ गए थे और उनको जाते वक्त ठीक से नहीं ले जाया गया था और वहाँ पहुँचने के बाद प्लांटेशंस में उनको ऑलमोस्ट स्लेव्स की तरह रखा गया था और कहा गया
हाँ,
था इंडेंचर लेबर्स हैं बट एक्चुअली
हाँ।
दे केप्ट एज स्लेव्स बट ऑल दिस is 100% correct. But then when you go to the courts, it is considered as a hearsay evidence.
Yeah, अच्छा।
It is
Okay.
not considered as a conclusive evidence.
Mm-hmm.
So, to support the hearsay evidence or any kind of circumstantial evidence, we need concrete things in and around it, right?
अच्छा। Okay.
Like, suppose, like the simplest example I can give you is like, suppose, for some purposes, for maybe for fertilizer or whatever, you need to
Uh,
need to have a gas chamber where that gas can, but how do you contain that gas? You put
yes,
a
yes.
concrete something around it,
हाँ,
right?
अच्छा।
So to
हाँ,
make the case strong, what is required is, see, the stories are great. I mean, they are definitely a part because, but the stories become more concrete when we have a eyewitness. Now here, the question of eyewitness is definitely not there. So therefore, the immigration certificates, the agreement, and if the act is available, some
अच्छा।
concrete legal document that
हाँ,
makes
तो
the case very weighty.
okay. We have sent you, मैम, पेपर एंड
हाँ,
मूल बात पेपर में यही रखा गया है कि देखिए दो दो बड़े बड़े इश्यूज हैं जिनके जरिए से कहा जाता है कि स्लेवरी में हुआ। वन
mhm.
इज द ह्यूमन ट्रैफिक।
Human trafficking.
हाँ, और वो तो फॉरबिडन था। एंड द नेक्स्ट वन वाज द वायलेंस अगेंस्ट द ह्यूमैनिटी। तो
Right.
ये जो 5 कंपार्टमेंट में मैंने लिखा है ना पैराग्राफ में, तो आप देखेंगे
हाँ,
वहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है कि देखिए ये दोनों के हम सब दर्शा रहे हैं कि इंटरनेशनली जो साइंटिफिक स्कॉलर्स लिखे हैं तो दर्शाते हैं कि देखिए ये दोनों तो हुआ ना। तो अगर जो ह्यूमन केस ऑफ ह्यूमन ट्रैफिक and violence against the humanity, then because of these two items, it has to possible to declare it is a crime against the humanity because the same happened to the slavery.
yes.
So and that is if you'll find the evidence in these two paragraphs about these two items. And that was the main question to ask the court from when the same thing, it was the two sides of the same coin, slavery and intended slaves. This exactly we have written it is in the paper, and when it was the same thing, why is slavery declared as crime against the humanity and indentured labor not declared? What is the reason?
That
And that's
is
we have.
exactly the reason. That is exactly
Yes,
the reason why I'm saying that if we have even one copy of that agreement somewhere with any of the descendants. It is going to give us a lot of light, and that is
Yes.
where we can find the flaws.
Okay.
That agreement is going to tell us, because see, we do not have anybody who can give us the evidence now, right? Because people who went are already dead and gone, and maybe the generation after them is also dead and gone. So we do not have any evidence. So how do we collect that evidence? Now, whatever evidence we have in our hand is basically the logic, the emotion, and the hearsay evidence. Now, even if
Yes.
one agreement is in our hand, then when you start dissecting that agreement, you
Okay.
automatically come to know that the name indentured laborers was just equivalent to slavery. That is how we kind of try to break it and speak about it like that. See, what
Yes.
happened during the Holocaust was, and what happened during many other kind of
Yes.
crime against
Yes. Yes.
humanity was that there were witnesses still alive.
Yes. Okay.
Even when Titanic sank, there were some witnesses who were still alive. Now, in
Yeah.
our
Yes. Okay.
case, what's happening is we do not have any witnesses alive. Therefore, we need at least one direct evidence. One
Yes.
direct.
So
If we have the
what?
act in our hand, we can
Ah.
actually dissect the act, and we can say that, okay, now you see the intent, because the court is completely governed by the evidence which you bring in front of it.
Yes. Yes. That's very
Even
true.
when the Holocaust
Ah.
happened,
Yeah.
all the top SS leaders were being in the Nuremberg trials.
Ah.
See, when they were being when the Nuremberg trials were being held and they were all put to trial, even
Yes.
in
Yes.
that case, it was very clearly stated that this is going to be a very democratic trial.
Okay.
The
Okay.
defendants are going to get an opportunity to defend themselves, and the prosecutors who are prosecuting the defendants, which means the Nazis, will put their case, the defendants will put their case, and the issues are framed. The issues were
Okay.
framed, there were four issues, and boy, crime against humanity, all those kind of things, war crimes, this, that. There were four issues framed, and then all those 10, 15, they were given punishment according to the charges which were proved against them. If the charges were not proved, they were given 20 years of imprisonment, some were given 10 years of imprisonment, some were hanged, that.
Okay. I
So
understand.
yeah, so if there is to be a trial, then this is required. Even one single document, a good authentic document is more than enough, because the authenticity of a document can easily be proved by getting it forensic done. That's
Yes. Okay.
वो कोई
So
issue.
exactly. Okay. What we need is the document, the act.
No, not only the act. Even if there is
You.
an agreement, the
Okay.
agreement which was signed by one of the indentured labor with the British, whosoever officer was
And
there.
this is calling a immigration pass.
Maybe it's an immigration pass.
अच्छा.
Immigration,
Okay.
see, immigration pass means they are immigrating, but if the Girmitia Act means an agreement act.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
there has
Okay.
to be a certain format of an agreement that
Okay.
they are, for how long they will go, what will be their status, how they will be treated. There will be few things. I'm just thinking aloud,
Yes.
that
Yes.
there must
Okay.
be something written in that act, because they didn't want
Okay.
it to project to the larger
They,
world
they have. They have. It is
that they are
called.
doing slavery. So
Yes.
because they didn't wanted to project to the world that they are not doing slavery,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
definitely they have put sections in the, even if it's a small act of 20 sections or 15 sections, that's not important. What is important
Okay.
is we now need to read in between lines, and then
Yes.
we have
Okay.
to do that.
I do understand. This is work of archive, and I have some historian people, and I'm asked them to find this, and
Yeah.
if
Now,
it is
what I'm going to ask you to do is, what we are going to do is, we are going to do the first step. What we are going to do is, once we have some information which is of any concrete nature, we'll wait for week 10 days till we get something. What I'm sure you all have already taken a lot of steps. But what we
yes,
are going to do is, we'll have to find out. Uh, the Britishers, they have a department
Yes, yes.
whereby whichever colonies they ruled, they, like in India also, they keep informing from time to time that, for example, the Minto Bridge, they will inform that
Yes, yes, yes.
the bridge may not be in the right condition. So they
Yeah,
do
okay.
have some department. I don't know what that, because this is the first time I'm handling a matter like this,
I
but
do
I have a
understand.
little bit of understand. But they do have some department which actually archives and take care of the colonies or informing them about the
Yes, you have.
dangers.
Okay.
There
You
might be, there is a possibility.
okay. You,
Maybe
you
it's
know,
called archaeological department, or I don't know.
it is. It is. You know, the professor Onkar
Huh?
Upadhyay from the Lucknow University, he has organized this conference, and I think I have to contact him and ask him. He is well-known people on this area. That is one person I'll want to talk with him. And in Guyana we have also in Fiji, and then I'll try to contact with them and
Yeah,
give me some
you
more
can do
time to
that.
find
Yeah,
these documents.
you take your time, because the thing is, till we do something concrete, this will only remain a movement.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay,
So either you guys decide whether you want it to be a movement and spreading awareness, or you want
yes,
to have a certain legal structure to it. So
okay,
once the information is in our hand, so there will be two things which will be done. First is we are going to write to Human Rights Commission in New Delhi,
yes,
put a petition over there in the form of a petition only, what right? And we are going to file a similar petition or write a similar letter to that particular department in UK or to the Human Rights Commission in UK. We can even do it
okay,
online if it is available. Nowadays, everything is online also.
okay.
Let us see how they respond. But that part can only happen when we have, because this is now legal, this is not a movement. A movement is
I
a different story. A movement is where you actually spread awareness that it should not happen again,
yes, yes, yes.
and then you see to it that not only in like in India, it should not happen to anybody. Any kind of slavery
Yeah.
should not happen to anybody. So
Yes, yes.
yeah, so once that part is ready, we also have to find out, are there any similar legal cases in any other part of the world?
Yes, we will find this.
Yeah,
Okay,
we can find out,
that is very
because
clear.
the thing is that then we have to understand, because with the same prayer clause, you cannot have multiple cases.
And then,
So therefore, then what you do is we tell that the cases may be clubbed in some central place and be tried there.
okay,
So something
I'll do this.
that kind, like this is what the system is in India. With the same prayer clause, you do not have many cases. In many
Understand.
cases, even Supreme Court, what they have done is they club all the, like, if suppose it's matter of pollution control or sustainability or, cleaning of Ganges or something, there are so many innumerable petitions. Somebody from
Okay,
Kashmir, somebody from Lucknow, somebody from somewhere, and somebody from somewhere. They all want their Ganges to be clean. So then they
understand.
completely club all the petitions and hear it because it's the same
Okay,
cause. So
okay.
maybe there is, only once we start it, then we will come to know where we are heading to.
I understand. Okay,
Yeah.
it is very clear. Let us conclude like this. We have to research more documents, and
Just
yeah,
one concrete document, just one concrete document, whatever that agreement was, if
okay,
that agreement is not available, then in that case, what what was this Girmitia Act?
okay,
Because on the basis of the act, the agreement was made.
okay. I'll
That
find
part
this.
is very clear in my head right now. After
Understand.
all the data you have sent me,
Okay.
and I have actually gone through it, like half an hour, 40 minutes every day for a few
Understand.
days, and
Okay.
most of it is very similar in temperament, because it's all speaking about the indenture labors, the act, the agreement, the the inhuman nature in which they were
Okay,
taken. But then, if the act is there, then we will come to know whether it comes under trafficking or not. We know it was
very
trafficking.
right. Very right. We are
We know
going to
it
find
was
it.
we know it was human trafficking. We know they were treated inhumanly. We know it was meager wages or no wages. But
Yes, yes.
what exactly was that agreement?
Okay.
If we can find it, fine. Otherwise,
Yes,
on the
sure.
basis of understanding and memories, we can try our best. But
Yes.
uh, mm, then let's see what happens.
Okay. Thank you. I think it would be very, very nice if you tell me something more because this we are recording this and
Yeah,
I'll
yeah. I'll
send it
send
to
it to
my
you. I'll send it to
so,
you so that you
then
can yeah.
I'll send it to the colleagues, let them hear, let them listen what is necessary. Maybe you can tell a little about you. You are a special person, and because of your professionality, we have chosen you.
Oh,
Understand?
please.
Tell me
That's not,
something more.
that's so embarrassing. Yeah,
So a little bit.
I'm Rachna Shukla. I'm a lawyer by profession. I'm working in High Court of Delhi and Supreme Court and High Court of Punjab and Haryana, and also in district courts, as and when the case arises. And my passion is Constitution of India and God save the country and God save the constitution of this country. And
Wow.
no other government come in this country who can actually, because it's the constitution of this country which makes us truly an Indian.
I mean, you are very involved person, in these cases. I see.
Pardon?
You are involved in the human traffic, these cases.
Yes, yes, definitely, because I'm also working pro bono, and the organization for which I'm working basically
I
handles.
see. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm their legal head, and they handle basically cases of human trafficking and rape victims, and
Okay.
both of them come under Human Rights Commission.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm very curious for one question. Do you think we have chance to have
No,
from
sir,
the high court?
never say never. It's just that the decision has to be yours, whether you want it to be a movement for spreading awareness or whether you want to take it to its legal conclusion. You know?
Okay.
So
Thank you.
let's not have doubts when we are doing something. Let the doubts be cleared by the judges. Let us be prepared more than
Exactly.
that's what I basically feel. That's how I approach my cases. I try
Okay.
my best to be more prepared than my counterpart, definitely. I'll not
Exactly.
allow
Okay.
them to win any of my cases.
Oh my God.
And as far as possible, I try my best to be better prepared than the judge also. Because judge has just gone through it once, and I have gone
Oh
through it,
yes. Yes.
a
Yes.
zillion times. I can read my case and briefs
Uh-huh.
words. You can, I mean, see, this is I'm already studying and for my
Oh
next.
my. Too much.
No, but when
Okay,
you love your
ma'am.
profession, nothing is too much.
Yes, we I'm feeling me very happy and lucky that you. Rachana is the name, Rachana is someone जो रचता
Yeah.
है ना? आप रचने वाली है. You are the creator. So
Okay.
we do believe you can help us in this case, and I'll try to find the documents what you asked for. Maybe if you can make a little small notice, the document just put in the app, so I can forward the film and that to my
Yeah.
colleagues.
So you know what the thing is, Mr. Singh, I will download this whole conversation. It is getting recorded,
Yes,
and
it's to you.
I will have to put it on YouTube because it's a very large file.
I do know. You can select what you think it is better to
Yeah.
you.
So I'll have to put it on YouTube because it's a
Some
large
parts.
file. My computer is won't be able to send this big a file to you.
I do understand.
So once I
Okay.
download it on YouTube, then it is very quick. It takes just 10 minutes to get downloaded on YouTube. And
Okay.
yeah, and then as soon as it is ready, I'm going to send it to you and then you can forward.
I think once I would like to organize a Zoom meeting with some more persons.
And
That,
anytime, sir, that would be really nice.
oh,
And we can just figure out
okay.
the time factor so that my
Yes.
phone, because there will be multiple time zones.
Yes, I'm just a coordinator, but we have experts in this group, and I'm sure that they will find the document and we will
I'm more than
provide.
sure, sir. I mean, when we have been working for so long, and then in that case, I'll also be able to understand that why have we not been able to crack it till now?
Yes, yes, understand.
Because the way I understood it from Priyanka and the way I understood from reading the documents and speaking to you, for me, it was a movement. It was nothing to do with anything legal.
Oh,
In
okay.
my thinking, it became a movement because you're just spreading awareness. The projects are being done, a lot of research is being done. But legally, I couldn't understand what a step has actually been taken.
I understand.
Maybe,
आपके
I'm
भाव,
wrong, but
yes.
well, I mean, like, I'm speaking as a lawyer, and that's my job. Because, I can't think beyond law, it's not a good thing, but
You are you are a human being. भावना से काम करते हैं.
yeah, I mean, see, all acts have a human emotion behind it.
Yes, yes.
And you have to
Okay.
learn to crack that. And that's
Acha,
how you convince the judge. So, therefore,
okay.
even if we get one original document, we will be able to break it and we will be able to say
I
indentured
okay.
labor and slavery were exactly the same thing. That is the
Yes.
point which we have to make in the courts. That's about it.
Within 10 days, I'll send you documents.
Most certainly, sir. And in between, also, if you have any information on your hand, you can just text me.
Okay, okay,
Yeah. And where
okay.
exactly in Netherlands you live?
Pardon?
Where exactly you live? You live in Amsterdam
And I in Rotterdam. In Rotterdam.
or Rotterdam? Okay.
The most beautiful city of the Netherlands.
Oh wow, lovely, lovely.
It's
You're so lucky.
very multicultural, multi-ethnic city.
Very
It
nice.
is.
Yeah. I had
Acha,
been there.
ma'am.
I had been to Rotterdam.
Come once and stay with
I will
us.
one day. Actually, I was
Let me know.
the last time I told you that I'll be away for 10 days, I had gone overseas to Indonesia. And it was just a relaxed break for me for 10 days. And then after I came back, I went to Bilaspur where I met Priyanka in a family function.
I said she told me yes.
Yes.
Okay, come and be my guest.
Sure enough, maybe one day. Sir, now we only have approximately 1 minute, one and a half minute
Yes,
left.
we can
And I
close
think
it.
most of the things which I wanted information for, I have spoken with you.
I didn't understand this
I
one.
said whatever I wanted to ask you, I have already put across my points.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Let us finish this today for today and thank you. दिल
Yes.
से हृदय से मैं धन्यवाद अर्पण करता हूँ.
हाँ, थैंक यू आपका भी बहुत
आप
बहुत
करने
शुक्रिया.
के लिए प्रियंका बताए मैंने कहा अच्छा वो बहन जी की तो मैं बेशक कांटेक्ट कर लेंगे. So and the next time I'll try to organize more people and then we can
Yes, sir.
have
And also, sir, one last thing. We also have to understand what is it exactly what we want out of this legal outcome.
mhm.
That is what our prayer is going to be to the courts.
One of the paragraph had the mean question. If you read in my paper, what is the mean question?
Okay, I'll just go through it. I mean,
Maybe you can read the paper once more and then you will find a lot of things what we are discussing about me
sure, sir.
now.
Sure.
Okay?
So maybe within an hour, I will send you the YouTube link.
And okay, okay.
Bye
May
bye.
I thank you,
Thank
ma'am?
you. Bye.
Okay. Namaste, namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you.